So today we are going to learn about the conversion. In all the measurements, measurement of weight, measurement of capacity, measurement of all the measurements, we learn the conversion also, right? Yes or no? If I tell you
Yes.
1 liter, so you should always know that 1 liter is equals to how many milliliters?
1,000. 1,000.
1000 milliliters.
1,000. 1,000.
This is called the conversion. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Conversion of a
Yes.
liter into the milliliter. So when you are converting liter into milliliter, you know that you have 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Suppose if I say 2 liter equals to how many milliliters?
2,000.
Perfect.
2,000
So
milliliters.
what are you doing here for finding into the milliliters? Which operation you are applying?
Multiplying. Multiplying
Yes. 2
1,000.
multiplied by 1000
1,000.
equals to 2000 milliliter.
Ma'am, we have to write. I want
Wait.
to say that is not
Yes.
that assignment chapter 7 worksheet there is no book for mathematics.
Your voice is not coming clearly, Jignesh.
Ma'am, there is in the chapter 7 worksheet 1 there is no Google form attached in assignment.
I have attached.
There is no we can't Google form. I have checked now.
Okay, let me check.
I just submitted you that activity that you have to done.
Okay, then let me check whether the Google form
Yes.
is why it is not attached. If it is not attached, I will attach it today. No worries.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I will also comment you.
Yes, sorry, by mistake it has not been attached, so I will attach it today. Okay, students. So today you will get today's work also and that day work also, and I will give you a time limit to submit it later. Okay. So now write the question number 1. Convert liter into milliliter. One liter equals to 1000 milliliter first sum. 2 liter equals to 2000 milliliter. And what are you doing? 2 multiplied by 1000. That also you need to write equals to 2000 milliliter. Now if I will ask Pritika, 9 liter equals to how many milliliters?
What, ma'am?
9 liter equals to how many milliliters?
9,000.
Very good. Raise one question. Make one question based on this concept, and raise your virtual hand and give me the answers.
Ma'am, my light has gone, then what is? Ma'am, what problem? Ma'am, I was in the
Yes.
class, but
No.
light gone.
Okay. No word problem. You can take any number of liters and tell me if you convert it into milliliters, how many milliliters it will be. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Krishav.
Ma'am, it can be 10 liter, 10,000. It is 10,000 milliliter.
Very good. Next, Shivani.
Ma'am, 10 liters, sir.
10
10,000
is all. 10 is already done. Use the next another number.
12.
Okay. 12 liters equal to how many milliliters?
12,000 milliliter.
Yes. Aravapani. Next, fast.
25 liter equal to 25,000 milliliter.
Very good. Asta.
Ma'am, 17 liter is equals to 17,000 milliliter.
Very good. Everyone completed this question? Shivangini, can you give me one example?
I am writing. Ma'am, can you tell you? Ma'am, we have to do this 1 milliliter and 2 liters.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Dhwani.
Yeah, ma'am. 76 liter is equal to 76,000 milliliter.
Very good. Now I will write the next
Ma'am,
question.
I have a question.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, if 1000 liter, what will be the answer in milliliter?
If 1000 liter, multiply 1000 with another 1000 and get the answer. 1 with the 3 zeros of this and 3 zeros of this, 6 zeros. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh milliliters. Got it? Can I erase this concept now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write the next question, question number 2. Convert liter and milliliter into milliliters.
This have to send you in the classroom, no?
No, this work you don't have to send. Convert liter and milliliter into milliliter. Can anyone explain me this situation and give me one example based on this situation? Raise your virtual hand. Lower down your hands and please raise your virtual hand for this question. Krishav, Arush Miani, convert liter and milliliter into milliliter.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert liter and milliliter into milliliter. Can you frame one question based on this statement? Jignesh, remove this background.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Convert liter and milliliter
Ma'am,
into
can I say
milliliter.
Ma'am, can I say hurry?
Wait, I will ask. Yes, Hare.
Ma'am, like 10,000 is equal 10 ml. 10,000 liter equal 10 ml.
10,000 liter equals to my thing is here you have quantity in liters and milliliters both, and the entire quantity you need to convert into the milliliters. For
Yes,
example,
ma'am, I understand.
for,
7 liter 25 ml and
yes, 25
and
ml.
7,025 ml.
Very good. What you will do in this case, where you have a liter also, milliliter also, you only convert the liter into the milliliter. 7 multiplied by 1000 equals
7,000
to
plus
7,000
25.
milliliter plus 25, which is already in milliliter. So it will be 7,025 milliliter. Got it, students? Please do
Yes.
this fast and give me one example based on it. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, we have. We have. Please make one example based on it. This situation. And be fast, students. No, I'm calling the name of the child. That child will only answer me now. Viha, please.
Ma'am, me, Viha, Vedi.
Viha, Viha.
Yes, ma'am. 9 liters and 40 milliliters.
Okay. So how
Answer,
many milliliters it will be?
answer is 9,040 milliliters.
Very good. Any other child?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Jignesh,
Ma'am, after Jignesh, can I?
I will tell your name. Yes,
Ma'am,
Jignesh.
after Dhoni, can I? Ma'am,
Shivani,
9 liters and 999 milliliters is equals to 9,999 milliliters.
milliliters. Very good. So one example is given by me. One example you can write by your own in your notebooks. At least 2 examples should be there in your notebooks. Please write. Yes, Moin Kuledi, please speak on this situation.
After Moin, can I? 5,600.
No, 5,000. It is in liters and milliliters. 6 liters, 5,000 what? 5,000 liters you want to tell?
5,000 liters. 60
5,000
milliliters.
liters.
Yes.
Moin Kuledi, you're not audible. Can you please write in the chat box? Everyone write in the chat box. Yes, Dhwani, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. 8 liters and 800 milliliters is equal to 8,800 milliliters.
Very good. Shivangani, you also make now one situation this. Shivangani, please make.
I have made
Please tell me.
5 liters and 35 milliliters.
Then it will be how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 5,035 milliliters.
So how you will write 5,035? कैसे लिखते हैं?
5 liters and 35 milliliters.
No, you said that 5,035. If I want to write the 5,035 in this form, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Tell me the digits with the places. 5.
5035.
Good.
Ma'am, I can try one situation. Can I say?
Astha, last Astha, then you can please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I?
Vedi, write in the chat box.
Excuse
Write in the chat box. Yes, Astha, please speak one. Where is Arth? Arth is not trying. Then I will see in the exam or this CET, Arth is getting less marks. Yes, Astha, please give me one example. You have raised no the hand on for this situation. Okay. Pritika, please try.
Yes, ma'am. 9 liter and 75 milliliter. The answer is 9,000 9,075 milliliter.
Yeah, don't forget to write the unit after the number. 9,000. So how I will write 9,075 milliliter?
9075.
Yes, and milliliter will be this. This is the way of writing the answer. Right? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now I'm going to erase this. Be fast. You will another. I will give this. You will get the chance in the next situation. Those who have not reached till now. Am I audible, visible, clearly?
Yes.
Okay. Can I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the third situation. Convert milliliter into, right, because the short form of liter is L, the short form of milliliter is ml. So I'm writing the short form of these numbers, units. Convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. Can anyone tell me one example based on it? Please tell me one example based on this situation. Convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. Convert milliliter into
Can I
liter
try?
first. First, you will do convert liter into milliliter.
Can I, ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please try.
821 ml
821 ml.
and 21 liter.
And now you need to convert
Ma'am,
it into
this
the
way.
liters. When you are converting from smaller unit, milliliter is a smaller unit. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are converting from smaller unit to the bigger unit, which is liter, you always divide. And from which number you need to divide? Divide it with the 1000. Divided with the
Yes, 1000.
1000. Harsh Keshwani, I hope you are writing. Divided with the 1000. When 821 milliliter, when you divide it with the 1000, so 821 divided by the 1000. The number when divide with the number which is having zeros, count the number of zeros 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal according to it. 821. Three zeros are there in the 1000. We need to count the number of three digits 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal, and nothing is here, is the zero. So it will be 0.821 liter. Got it, everyone? And suppose when the number is a four-digit number, 7563, or the number is five-digit number, or the number is eight-digit number, divide it with the 1000 always. So now here are three digits. Count the three digits from the back, 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal. So 7.563. Got it, students?
Ma'am, 82 is the ml.
Example. So
In the
this will
first
be
one,
7 liter. Yeah. In the first one, nothing is in the liters. Only 823 in the milliliters. But
Ma'am,
you have,
I
when you are
can't.
converting, you need to write it in this way.
Ma'am, can I try one example?
You raise your virtual hand. Don't say can I in the class. It's not a class rule.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Yes, please ask
I
me.
can't understand this one and this first one.
Convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. You can write this also because here the situation is coming. Convert liter in milliliter into liter and
second one, what you
milliliter.
have written, 7 liters.
Complete this question in this way. Convert milliliter into liter and milliliter. So now you have only three digits, right? 821. This is in the milliliter. When you are dividing the milliliter with the 1000, see the number of digits in the 1000. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 3. So in the milliliter, count the three digits from the back and put the decimal. 1, 2, 3. Put a decimal or a point. And nothing is there before the decimal, so 0.0.
Ma'am, in the second one, instead of decimal, you have written liter.
Yeah, I have put a decimal. Now I can, what decimal shows? That before the decimal is the liters and after the decimal is the milliliters. So we can write it like this: 7 liters, 563 milliliters. My board is visible to you all till last?
Yes.
Please do. And now make the situation based on this condition.
Ma'am, can I say one example?
I want from Pragyan. Pragyan, please. Pragyan. Pragyan is
Ma'am,
not
what's the
speaking
question?
anything.
Ma'am, what's the question? Can you say
It's
again?
written here. Written here. Read it and tell me one sum based on the situation.
Ma'am, I have to say a sum.
converting milliliter into liter and milliliter?
Ma'am, 7 liter is equals to 7,000 milliliter.
7. But
Ma'am,
here you
7
don't have
liter.
liter. Here you have milliliters. If you have 7,000 milliliters, how you will convert it into the liter?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have 12,000 milliliter is equals to 12 liter.
Yes. And when you have for example, 5,893 milliliters, 5,893 milliliters, suppose. So in this situation, how many liters and how many milliliters? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Vedi, will you try?
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, I will try. Ma'am, I will take 6543 is in so
Okay.
I will divide it into 1,000 and I take the last three numbers into ml
Ma'am, can I
and
say
the
the answer,
remaining
please?
number will be go in liters. I will
So
put
here.
the decimal after uh, after taking three numbers.
Yeah. So
After
you will
6,
put a
I will put
decimal
the
here.
decimal.
So your how many liters in this? How many liters
6
in yourself?
liters,
Yeah.
6 liters,
5,000, no?
5,043 ml.
543. You will, after the decimal, you will read as 543
Okay.
milliliters. Okay. Not 5,000. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
say one?
Shivani. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, in computer, where I can get the divide sign?
Excuse me, ma'am.
You will get the divide sign.
Ma'am, and multiplication sign also I want to know.
Multiplication sign, so you can use the X sign. And divide sign, you can use the slash sign. Slash is there.
Ma'am, what yes, ma'am, flash is there.
You can take the slash sign. Okay, please tell me the Shivani answer.
Ma'am, 5, 7, 5,
5,
7, 3, 5.
3, 5. Okay. How many liters? How many milliliters?
7 liters and 535 milliliter.
Very good.
Can I say?
Yes, Arapapani, please say.
Ma'am, 315
Hmm.
milliliter and liter is 3 liter and 15 milliliter.
No, no. 315 is only the 3-digit number. It is same like this situation which we have done. So when you put a decimal here, it will be 0 liters.
Zero liter and 315 milliliter.
Yes, Arth, please try. Those who have got the chance, please lower down their hands, virtual hands. Yes, Arth.
Yes, ma'am. 9,564 is equal to 9 liter 564 ml.
Very good. Yes, Dwani.
Yes, ma'am. 9,825
Krishav, are you writing, bacha, in your notebook?
divided by 1,000 is equal to 9 liter and 825 milliliter.
Okay. Suppose I have the 5-6-digit number. 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this case, and this is in milliliter, 74,321 milliliter. So can you tell me how many liters in this? Who know the answer? How many liters and how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 74 milliliter.
It's complete is in milliliter already. Now you are converting them into liter and milliliter.
74 liters.
Yes. And how many milliliters?
321 liters.
321 milliliter. Don't get yourself confused. Now, children, I'm going to send you the link in the classroom, which is based on the concept which we have done right now. Please start doing that Google form. Solve this in your notebooks. Listen the instruction first. When you get the Google form, write your name, write your section also. And after writing your name and section, start doing in your notebook. Click the final answer in the Google form.
When we do that, they work it.
First you do this and then worksheet 1 I will send you later after the class.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, did you send it?
Yeah, I'm sending. I'm sending in the classroom. It's posted. Refresh your classroom, students. It's posted in your classroom. Refresh your classroom, as well as I'm giving you the link here in the chat box also. Are you all able to open it? Asta, are you able to open your Google form? I can see you are playing.
Yes, ma'am. I can open the Google.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start doing. Solve it in your notebook, all the sums which are given in the Google form. And only write the final answer in the note.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
That one that you just now send,
Yes.
we have to do right now.
Yes, start doing.
Okay,
If you're not able to complete in the class, you can complete after the class. This is your home task.
ma'am. On the next page we have to mark as the home task. No?
Yes, yes. You need to do mark as done also. So I'm going to present this and show you the Google form which I have sent
Ma'am,
all
can
the.
we start it?
Yes, please start. 9 liter equal to how many milliliters? Convert 1 liter 625 milliliter into milliliter. Convert 7 liter 65 milliliter into milliliter. Convert 6 liter 6 milliliter into milliliter. Convert 7 liter 800 milliliter into milliliter. Convert 5635 milliliter into liter and milliliter. Convert 4008 milliliter into liter and milliliter. So all the situation which we have covered now.
Submitted.
Submitted also. Very nice. Let me check. Which child has submitted? Jignesh,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the marks also, Jignesh?
Yes, ma'am, I got the marks.
Very good.
Ma'am, Hare also got the marks. 10 out of 10.
Very,
Ma'am,
very
10
good.
out of 10.
So are you all guessing your this or you are doing it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I just guessed my answers.
Ma'am,
Shivangini
10 out
has
of
done.
10.
I done
Jivani
it
done.
mentally.
Pragyan
I have
has
not
done.
guessed.
Very good. So now you all
Ma'am,
know
I
that
do
how
it
to do
mentally.
also. Yes.
I have
That's
also
why
done.
that's
Because
why I told you if you are confused somewhere, you can solve it in your notebooks also. Yes, Hare.
ma'am,
Yes, Hare.
this this that chapter this chapter has come in second and third grade also. So in second and third grade I have fun in this chapter. So in this chapter I have also fun.
Very good. So children, what happened the entire till grade 5? Your maths is same only. What you are learning in grade 1 and 2, only the upgradation is done. Okay. Some advanced topics are coming. Addition you are learning in grade 1 also. Then why you are learning in grade 2? Why you are learning in grade 3? With the larger numbers. Concept will be the same. It will come with the larger numbers. Addition to addition ही होगा ना? Which you are learning in grade 1 also.
For practice.
Yeah, for practice, and you are learning with the larger numbers. In grade 3, you are learning with 2-digit or 3-digit only. Then when you come in grade 4 or grade 5, then you will learn in the grade with larger 6 to 7 numbers. Then you will learn regrouping also. Right? Turn on your camera. I request everyone. Biha, Lakshadola, Harsh Keshwani, Pritika, Arth Gujarati, Astha Gujarati, Pritika.
Ma'am, I am going to the Google Form. It's my camera will go off.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Okay, okay. Understood.
Ma'am submitted.
Very good.
Ma'am Dheer.
Very good.
Ma'am, this is too easy. This link.
This is?
This link is too easy.
Because now you are clear with the concept. That's why it's looking easy. Whenever you clear your concept, everything will be easy for you. And whenever you take it as a burden, then it will be very difficult to understand.
This chapter has come in 2 and 3, second and third standards. So this is too easy.
Yes, yes. So now take out your page number 73 also, students. Here are the different combinations of given to make the 1 liter. So you can fill this yellow boxes, blue boxes and pink boxes for finding the different combinations. I will give you one example. It's written 1 liter in the middle, and if I take the yellow boxes, 250 ml is already given. So if I will take in one yellow box, 500 ml plus 250 ml plus 250 ml, which is already given, it will make 1000 ml. Right? So you can make the different combinations and fill this. I will ask the answers tomorrow from you all. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
Thank you. It is not compulsory that everyone's answer will come same, because you will create your own combinations to make it 1 liter. Thank you, students, for today's class. Completed this Google form and submitted.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.